everyone, you are seeing Tolani's hair after a month of our rocking this cornrow. You guys remember the cornrow that we did? I'm going to put a clip of it so that you can see it on the side, and you can also see that the hairstyle, this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to lift it up right now and you can see the amount of growth she has by the puffiness. So since her hair has been out of she hasn't washed it in a month and she hasn't done any treatment, we actually will be using a hair treatment on her hair. So I'll be using this hair product, and this is our second bottle of this product. We have been using it for a while now. I have been using it, my other daughter has been using it, but this is our first time of using it. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair, and I believe we got this, I want to say, from Sally's about 3-4 months ago when they were doing a BOGO sale. It has a very nice perfumey smell, so you can see this is the one we've been digging into recently. So before I start doing her hair, because when I'm loosening her hair, what I do is I first spray some water. Let me get a nice spray bottle here. So this is my spray bottle. So I first spray some water in her hair to start off. So after doing this, I'm going to take a little bit of this, not so much, just a little bit of this to start off. And this is just to make it easy for the hair to kind of glide through. And I'm going to loosen up the hair, come back and show you guys, and then we'll start applying the product to our hair. But this is the first one. So when you loosen hair that has been kept in a protective style for a long time, you want the hair to be moist, okay? You don't want to do it on dry hair because dry hair will tangle. And you see how I'm loosening it? I'm going very slowly and gently, and I'm unraveling it. Don't pull, because this is when you lose a lot of hair, okay? So we're being very, very careful, trying to let the hair loosen by itself, okay? No knots. So once I do this, I'm going to push this and then start unraveling like this. So just unravel it gently. Okay, so when you get to the hair section, the root of the hair, remember we split this into 3 parts. So you want to now split the part that you split into 3. You want to get it, and then you want to unravel that part. If that part feels dry, get your water, spray it, and because you've put some form of conditioner, it should be easy for it to come unraveled. So I'm just doing this and then try to elevate it. Now if it's having a difficult time, you want to see if you can grab pieces of the hair and remove it from the knots. That is the product Buildup that she has. You can see it's not that terrible. So you're just going to gently just break that apart because it has caked in there. So you want to gently break it apart. One key thing is, after you take down one cornrow, you'll see the buildup, as I showed you earlier, the buildup kicking up at the base. So what I like doing is I take a rat tail comb. This is the only time I'm going to use a rat tail comb to comb through the hair. I'm not actually combing through the hair. What I'm doing is I'm using the rat tail comb to break the buildup. I'm just breaking it apart so that it doesn't kick up. Okay, so you see how this one kicks up into one big chunk right over here. You can see it almost looks as if it has logged in there. But when you use the rat tail comb kind of breaks it down. Okay, so I'm just going lightly and using that. You can also use the base of the rat tail comb, the metal part, to break it down. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video.
Bye.